This irreplaceable family photo has been brought into ABC Fine Art. At first glance, it's hard to see the baby in the bottom left corner. Through our process of restoration, this photo has been brought back to life. Restoration times vary depending on damage. Tearing, creasing, water damage, staining, and faded details can all be fixed. The photo is printed on museum quality cotton rag photo paper. Using advanced black and white printing, we are able to achieve completely neutral black and white tones. We are now taking our restored photo and we're going to put it into an archival environment, acid-free backing, acid-free mat. We hinge to the backboard so that the photo can expand and contract with moisture conditions in the environment. That way it will not buckle. Now I'm going to hold the picture there while I place the acid-free tape. And then it's hinged to the backboard. Flip that back over, remove this, and now I'm going to put our museum glass on top. And just to show you, this is what the final picture will look like. I'm holding a piece that is framed with regular glass. You can see the reflection. There is glass on this piece, even though it may appear not to have any. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.